Hello everyone, myself Dr. Madhav Naik from Department of Community Medicine. Here, let us today learn how to take classes in Google Meet. So first, what are the prerequisite of the classes? To reach the classes minimum 15 minutes before the scheduled time, because we have to admit the students to this particular platform. We have to bring our personal earphone better to avoid the infections of COVID, and proper hearing audio of the to the students, and we have to take our presentations by our pen drive. Then we in this video I will explain the step by step procedures how to uh, mm, uh, go to this particular Google Meet. And in this video we will also uh, know some frequently asked questions, that is doubts, that is what to do if my Wi-Fi connection is lost, how to ask questions to a particular student, how to take attendance and save for the future reference, how to use chat box, how to fix if it is showing 404 error, how to use whiteboard in Google Meet. So let's start. I can now take you to my laptop screen where I have to click the Google Chrome, and just I have to close this and I have to click here the Google Chrome. Okay. After clicking here in the right corner, you can see here Google Apps are there. Just click here. After that, there is a icon called Meet. This is Google Meet actually. Click here. After clicking that, we'll get this particular start a meeting options, and after this I can get my video and my audio. So if I want to stop my video here, I just click turn up my video. I just click video and my camera is off. If I want to stop my camera also, to stop my audio also to the participant, I click here. Okay. Then go to join now. After that, after clicking join now, we'll get the copy link. We have to copy it. Then after copying the link, just go to show everyone. Then here just add people. After clicking the add people, we will get this type of window where we have to invite the students who take the classes. So we just have to minimize the screen and go here. Already in the laptop there is a list of email of the students, and just I am giving example of some my mails. Just control all and control C, copy the file, copy all the email. Then after that we have to paste here, control V. Okay. After pasting this, we have to send this mail to all the students. Then after this we have to wait for some time. After that, students will automatically get admitted to this particular screen. Suppose I am here a student. I have a student here named Kabir who want to join the meeting via this mail where I have sent to this student. And here, okay, here join the if students join the meeting, I can see to the students also in this particular screen which student join. And if the student want his video to stop, he can also do this with his mobile. Okay. And after that, okay, after that uh, all the students get admitted within 10 to 15 minutes. We have to wait up to 250 students around. Then after that we just have to turn on our microphone and check audio, and turn on our camera to check my video. Okay. So okay, so after that I have to present my screen. So before presenting screen, I have to open my slides which I want to present to my students. Suppose I have my today class is on epidemiology. Then I have to open these slides before. Okay. Then after that I have to go to this particular Google Meet platform, and I have to just click present now, go to window, and I can see this is a epidemiology which already I have opened. Just click here and click share. Now the students can see this particular screen, and I have to take the classes. First slide, second slide, I have to click here also to full screen. Okay, and then I have to take the class. I have to hide this bar. Okay, hide this bar. I have to take the class, first slide, second slide, third slide, like this. Then after completion of class, I have to go to this particular website again, and that presentations, and we have to take the attendance of the all the students. So how to take the attendance? This is the green, you can see I have to click here just, so it can add all the students who are already in these classes. So you have to click this option. Okay, so I have to just then click this option. After clicking this, all the students who are enrolled there comes to my Excel file. Just have to click here. Okay, all the students, 3 students here, suppose they are admitted, and we can save, download this file. How? Go to file, download, and PDF document. Now you can see this PDF document, export, click export. So this file is now downloading. So this is the attendance of the students who admitted in who has taken the classes. This file is already downloaded in my laptop. Okay, then just go to this is attendance. Stop your presentations. So before stopping the presentation, some you have to ask the, go to chat box also. Okay, after going to this chat box, so many students are asked so many questions. We can answer this before closing the classes, and we can also tell them or a particular message, next class what to take, any next class topic. Okay, we can write here also, send them, and they we have to answer the questions asked by them also. And if I have to ask questions to a particular student, then I have to choose from here. Suppose I have to ask this student, I have to click here, and I have to ask that particular students also. Then after that, uh, we will see some other questions. So these are the prerequisite, as I told. Then this is the step-by-step procedure as I explained. Chrome apps, then go to Meet, then go to sign in, then join now, then copy the link. After copy the link, we have to go to add people and paste the copied email address on that invite button. Okay, then send the link and wait for 5 to 10 minutes to join them. Let them join. After that, uh, mm, after joining all the people, we have to start the classes. So some problems we are facing after the classes also. That problem we will discuss here. What to do if my Wi-Fi connection lost? If Wi-Fi connection lost, we have to wait up to we have to wait for next connection. That means we have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes up to the regaining of this Wi-Fi connection. After regaining the Wi-Fi connections, we can rejoin the meeting and start again. Okay, then how to ask questions to a particular students? As I already explained, we have to click that students, and uh, we can ask also. Then how to take attendance and save for future reference, already explained in the video. To click that signal green uh, square, and we get the download of that particular attendance sheet also. Then how to use chat box? We can use this by to ask the questions or to send some mails, to send the what we actually know from the students, or their feedback, or any questions we have to ask. Then how to fix if it's showing 404 Google error, sometimes it's showing this error due to junk files. We have to clear it by going this bottom in the bottom toolbar. Just click type here %temp percent. We'll get the temporary files, that is cookie that already deposited, and they are creating that problem. Enter and just control A and delete that file. Delete. Okay, after delete that files, they will, that this the 404 error is not visible again. So how to use whiteboard in Google Meet? To use Google in this feature is not enabled in laptop provided to in our college, but we have I have give them suggestions to bring a Wacom whiteboard, uh, and in that whiteboard, if we connect through USB cable, we can write there also. But now I can show in my laptop that this feature is already present here. And if I start this whiteboard, I can see there is a new button or this button. And if I want this to click this button, and I can take any type of pen. Suppose I want to take this blue pen, and I can write here just epidemiology. Sorry for my bad handwritings. And like this, we can explain anything like this coronavirus, like this, and everything. We can explain them. Okay, this there, this is okay. But this feature is enabled after Wacom board is come to our. Okay. So I think I have explained all the questions, and if anyone has any doubts, kindly put it in my comment box, and I will try to answer as early as possible. And thank you for a kind listening. And if anybody has any doubt, you can call me or you can ask me further. Thank you for your patience listening.